What's happening, guys? It's Bryan916 here, working on my Tahoe. Decided not to do a video series on it, just didn't generate enough interest on it. But for those of you who care, got all these parts that's going on the Tahoe. I'm currently working on it right now. So if we head out here, you can see that I got the throttle body off. Also took the air box out and all that stuff, getting that cleaned out. You can see this Tahoe or this throttle body can definitely benefit from a cleaning, and got it opened up here, just taking a look, making sure that I don't have any gasket leaks and things like that. Looks like I probably do have maybe a valve cover gasket. May have to do that at some point. So I'm just doing a little deeper inspection, as well as replacing all the ignition system components, spark plugs, wires, etc. Coils are okay as far as I know. But yeah, so that's where I am. I'm going to get up under there, change the oil, take a look at the suspension, make sure the suspension is in good shape. So want to get this Tahoe up and running. So when I open up my auto sales business again, I'll have my workhorse available.